It is said that a successful man is one who has a deep-rooted firm foundation of knowledge and ethics. And Future Group of Institutions helps you make your foundations strong enough to rise through the realm of life. Future Group of Institutions has been established with a fresh approach for the new generation. Learn, assimilate and transcend. Mr. Mukesh Gupta, a prolific man, believes in simple living and high thinking. This self-made man with such philosophy has made this institute reach immense heights within a short span of time, and this is just the beginning. He says he has miles to go. We focus on learning, not by cramming, but by doing. We make students experiment and see for themselves how things happen. Bookish knowledge is not our priority. We focus on lab work, where knowledge is imparted through probing and experiments. We make sure that knowledge is thoroughly absorbed by students. We inspire students to rise above all. We nurture bright ideas into substance. Young intellect is mentored and students' lives are transformed to conquer the future unforeseen.
We here at Future Group of Institutions building hardcore professionals and managers and engineers with unmatched capabilities.
Our objective at Future Group of Institutions is to inculcate among our students ability to learn, the capacity to assimilate the learnings, and to utilize these assimilated learnings to transcend the various benchmarks of different sectors. For accomplishment of these objectives, we have engaged the faculties, especially the core faculty, carefully drawn from the academic and industrial world. Their efforts are also very well complemented by the visiting faculty from the corporate world.
Values and ethics at FGI is an amalgam of ancient Indian values and modern work ethics. We have a global mindset but an Indian heart. We prepare our students to be the leaders of the future and guide them to be able to adapt to any unanticipated situations. The programs offered by the Future Group have very strong base of academic rigor and industry interaction. They are designed and reviewed in consultation with industry experts and are delivered by excellent faculty who are known for their dedication to teaching and research. These experts have close ties with the national and international academic and business community. The programs are conducted in highly conducive learning environment. Future Group is a young and dynamic institution offering outstanding educational programs. We have 3 campuses: Future Institute of Engineering and Technology, FIET, Future Institute of Management and Technology, FIMT, and Future Institute of Management Studies, FIMS. FIET offers MCA, BTech Computer Science, BTech Electronics and Communication, BTech Civil Engineering, BTech Electrical and Electronics, BTech Mechanical Engineering, BTech Information and Technology.
BTech Electrical Engineering, Polytechnic in Electrical Engineering, Polytechnic in Mechanical Engineering.
FIMT offers postgraduate programs: MBA HR, MBA IT, MBA Finance, MBA IB, MBA Marketing, PGDM Service Management. And FIMS offers undergraduate programs: BBA, BCA. All the courses are approved by AICTE and Ministry of HRD, Government of India, and affiliated to UP Technical University, Lucknow, and MJP Rohilkhand University, Bareilly. We transform young minds into winners at Future Group of Institutions. So come, join us and be a part of the movement of transcendence. We have the most learned faculty members. In an educational institution, the faculty which shapes the future of the students, we have value-based education system.
Future Group also has tie-up with one of the renowned and prestigious University of Ulster, UK.
It has always been our endeavor at Future Group of Institutions to give a global exposure to our students, and the signing of this MOU a step in that direction. We know the world is moving towards globalization. National boundaries are going to have no meaning, and therefore we need to adapt ourselves for a multicultural environment.
There's been a little bit of talk about global opportunities. The reason we are here in India is because we see global opportunities as very, very important. Business is global. With new transport and new communication, the world gets a smaller and smaller place, and there is an opportunity for people in different countries, businesses in different countries, to explore new opportunities and get over cultural boundaries. And this is the space that we're in the Ulster Business School. We work with a number of different organisations all over the world, and we're delighted to work in India. We've been here for 6 years now. We have some very good relationships with people here. We have a lot of our alumni who have successfully come back to India and have found employment opportunities after their courses and studying with us.
Our global network is spread in many cities. National Placement Office, Gurgaon. Corporate Resource Center, Mumbai. Future Institute of Engineering Technology. Future Institute of Management Technology. Future Institute of Management Studies. West Asia Resource Center, Dubai. Strategic tie-up with Ulster University, UK. Global Placement Office, New York.
The faculty comprises of distinguished professionals from the best of academia and industry. They set high standards of moral and ethical values to be true role models for the students.
Pratik Kumar Sarkar of BTech from Future Group of Institutions. During the visit to an institution for admission, greatest and most important search is for the good infrastructure. It is at the highest priority for the student. The student can take interest in academics only when he has a good environment. Here at Future, we not only get good classrooms but also the equipped furnitures, projectors and air conditioners. Then the next important feature are the libraries and labs. Library must not only contain books but also a good environment and quiet environment.
We have the most modern computer labs. The Future Group is proud to have a well-organized and contemporary IT system. The whole campus has wireless broadband internet connectivity. The institute boasts 4 world-class computer labs having HP and Dell computer systems.
We also have state-of-the-art language labs for soft skills development of our students.
There are well-equipped laboratories and rich libraries, while our libraries are equipped with over 10,000 books, periodicals, international journals and digital research material. Our air-conditioned classrooms and library offer the most conducive atmosphere for learning.
The education and the facilities provided to us are of the bestest of kind and the latest in the society. So that really helps us to boost our confidence and make ourselves ready to face the future challenges.
We have set up a corporate connect cell.
Let me share you the vision and mission of Placement Department of Future Group of Institutions. We believe in serving country through producing quality managers and engineers. And for the development and final placement of our students, we adopt TTGP model. This is teaching, then training, grooming, and then the final placement of our students. Moreover, we have empaneled several companies for the final placement of our students. Companies like Cadila Pharmaceuticals, TNS, this is Telecom Network Solutions, they are already being impaneled and given us the commitment for the final placement of our students.
The Corporate Connect Cell acts as a bridge between the students and the corporate world to initiate communication with the industry.
Future Group of Institution believes that every student is a valuable resource. That's why they develop the separate training and development cell. This cell has been established to promote the students and to develop their overall personality and to meet out the requirement of present scenario of corporate and IT world.
In light of emerging professional requirements, the institution trains the students by exposing them to live problems, situations and circumstances.
We conduct group discussions as communication skills development process and written tests as technical skills mapping exercise.
Our overall objective is to make our students socially relevant, technically competent and professionally sound.
Hi, this is Musarrat Jahan from Future Group of Institutions. Placement Cell is taking care of all the jobs of we people. They are providing us with the pre-placement talks, mock interviews, GDs, which is really helpful for we students. We are thankful for the Future Group of Institutions that they are providing us with the different activities, which is really helpful for we students to grab the future opportunities.
Over the years, FGI students have got on-campus placements in MNCs and top organizations. The Institute, in a short span of time, has started getting the attention of the leading corporates for meeting their requirements for trained manpower.
Hi, this is Shalini Sagar, a student of MBA final year, studying from Future Institute of Management and Technology, Bareilly, and I found this college a very comfortable college to be studying.
Hi, I am Ravindra Singh, final year student of MBA at FIMT Bareilly. During my MBA, I learned lots of things here. Future Institute provides me various programs which helps me to get my final placement. Future provides me corporate orientation program, various pre-placement talks, group discussion. All these programs are helped me to get my final placement.
Future Group of Institutions also conduct job fairs which give our students a platform to interact with MNCs and other organizations for placements as soon as they complete their courses. We also conduct mock interview sessions under the guidance of experienced mentors from the industry. The mock interviews are recorded and later analyzed by the experts for the constructive feedback, which further helps students to prepare themselves to face the actual placement interviews.
Leading companies across various disciplines come for campus placement at FGI. In technical courses, nearly all students are placed even 1 year before the completion of the course.
Future Group of Institution is doing great work with the students. I personally interacted with many of the students and found them really hard-working and technically updated. I wish them all the very best for their future endeavors.
Future Group of Institution is giving students the right kind of knowledge and education that is apt for across industry. The students of Future Group of Institutions are very hardworking and professional, fulfill all the requirements needed for the market. We are glad to know that Future Group is nurturing such brilliant brains.
I am happy to share my experience with Future Group of Institution as a corporate trainer from Insignia Solutions Private Limited, Delhi. I am very impressed by the state-of-the-art infrastructure they have and the kind of education they are imparting to their students. I remember that I went with a program titled as Championing Excellence, and my interaction with the students highly impressed me with the kind of imparting education. They are actually creating great visions and visionaries for the future. And I believe that future institutions will be always remembered in history for the remarkable contribution they have given to education. And I really like to wish all success for them, for the management, for the students, and for good luck for all the good things they are going to do for the country and for the world.
I was also amazed to see the kind of infrastructure they have, which is very conducive for learning. I'm sure Future Institute will go a long way because their focus is not only to produce great professionals for the corporate, but their focus is to develop them 360 degree so as to make them great human beings who can excel personally as well as professionally.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the Future Group of Institutions for creating such a wonderful learning experience. They have a very wonderful faculty members. I also find the students very keen to learn and sharpen their skills, and I am confident that they will be placed in a company of repute.
As a recruiter, we look for various skills in candidates. Among those, conceptual knowledge, interpersonal skills, communication skills plays major role for us. I believe Future Group of Institutions imparting those skills in their students. I wish all the best for the Future Group of Institution students.
Green surroundings keep students closer to nature and also lets them relax their mind in the beauty of nature. In the campus, boys and girls hostels serve as home away from home. The separate facilities for boys and girls.
आगे Prashant Mishra, congratulations. Pradeep Sarkar, congratulations.
सर नमस्ते।
तो क्या आप लोग हमारे नेक्स्ट एक्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? क्या आप लोग हमारे नेक्स्ट एक्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? So come on guys, I would like to welcome Ritvik and Asha together.
तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो।
बरेली के वासियों, how are you doing? सबसे पहले तो are you guys having fun? Thank you very much for calling us here and I think I'm obliged. मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ा सौभाग्य कि I've been coming to Bareilly for the first time, वो भी इतनी पागल ऑडियंस के सामने guys. You guys are mad, you guys are awesome यार। अरे कैसे हैं आप लोग बरेली? तो पता नहीं चल रहा लोग कितने, लेकिन लाइव बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आवाज बहुत आ रही है। हम कौन हैं ये पूछ रही हैं हमसे कि हम कौन हैं, आप बताना चाहेंगे? लच्छा सबसे अच्छा। क्या हो क्या गया? आप अपने कपड़े सिलवा लीजिए, ये फट गया है।
रंग लगा
जी हाँ, वो है बैनी दयाल।
कैसे हो? चीखो तो सही। लो चाहे उल्फत हो गया। अच्छा लगा? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा? तेरी मेरी रात ने किए हैं कुछ इरादे, मिली है जो मौके मुलाकातें, तो कोई जादू। Alright, bang bang बात को तू मेरे साथ जो दिल पे चला है जादू, जाने क्यों। Bang bang, oh yeah, oh 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 oh, I am the disco dancer, I am the disco dancer. Hey बेईमान, दिल में बड़ा पे होता नहीं, आइए मेरी ना एक माँ।
मिश्रा जी से आग्रह करूंगा कि वो एक घुसाला उड़ाकर हमारे बरेली के इस नौजवान का हट जाओ प्रशस्ति पत्र जो हमने बनाया, बड़ी मेहनत से हमारे जसोरिया जी की टीम हमें
शुभ मंगल।
अजय खंडेलवाल जी और दीक्षित जी कृपया अपने ब्लॉक
बहुत ही सुंदर दृश्य है। ऐसा लगता है कि हम एक बहुत जोश से बन सकते हैं। मन गार्डन हो गया है।
छड़ों में हम वो विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाने जा रहे हैं, जिसका हमने संकल्प लिया था 2222 फिगर का। और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, इस फिगर को हमने बहुत बड़े नंबर से पीछे छोड़ दिया है।
हूं अमिता अग्रवाल जी, फन सिटी। इस पहले वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जो अमर उजाला के साथ फ्यूचर की पहल है, उसके लिए मैं जितने भी यहाँ गणमान्य व्यक्ति मौजूद हैं, स्तंभ हैं हमारे इस बरेली शहर का, उन सब का तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। और फ्यूचर के जितने भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं और फैकल्टी, बैकवर्ड रिवर्स मैराथन यहाँ पहुंचने वाला है और ये रेड रिबन यहाँ पर बंधा हुआ है। ये रिकॉर्ड आपके शहर में अमर उजाला फ्यूचर ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन और चेयरमैन सर भी इसका गाइस, जोरदार तालियां। डीआईजी साहब, आरकेएस राठौर सर। आना शुरू हो गया यार।
मेरा इतना
समस्या का हल निकलता है। और वाकई जब सभी लोग
एक नींव इन्होंने रखी और उस नींव को आगे बढ़ाया फ्यूचर ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन ने, और उसके साथ बाकी लोग भी आए। मैं उन सभी का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं।
सद्भावना पुलाव का आनंद ले और इस विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाने के साक्षी बने। धन्यवाद।
और उनका स्वागत है कि वो
That is Holika Utsava especially organized for the students, faculty and staff member. This is comprised of 3 small sessions. The first session is Kathak. In the second half, we are having a Matki Fort competition. We are having a DJ and a snacks program.
अतुल कुमार, अमित कुमार, Mr.